Hello, everybody. This is Sam. Now, today I'll be looking at how to get your color codes. Even till now, I'm still looking for a better way to explain this topic. But if you are here, possibly you are looking for the color codes from your logo, from a particular image. So fascinated, this class is for you. Easily, if you are doing design with possibly major graphics design, photo editors, photoshops, the way you can get even the color from a surrounding environment for a particular image. But this is just to explain to a particular class. So if you're here, possibly you're looking for something like this, good luck. Now, your question could be like, where can I find the color used in my logo? Or how to find color on my logo, how to find color on my images. I use different tools. Now, sometimes people always wondered, okay, how do you get this? So I'm going to show you if you are familiar with Canva. All right, okay, let's bring it to Canva here. For some of you who are familiar with Canva, this is the Canva page of one of the design. I have my color code that goes with deep blue, deep orange, or you call it orange color, and white, which I use on my logo. So every my designs used to carry this color. So how was I able to get them? Most times when you are doing design, especially with Canva, it's so easy that you have so many colors here, things you can play with. You can work with your photo editor, a particular design. But when you want to know your real color, you come here. I have these are what we call color codes. These are what we call color codes. If you are here, when you click on this, you tap here, this is the color codes. If you type, for example, if you type F several times, it's color code for white. If you type 0000, is a color code for black. So all the colors you can find here, all of them are what we call a colored code. So if somebody design a particular graphics for you for a logo like mine, every color that come together to make that logo or a particular image, they have what we call color code. So if you are somebody that is particular to branding, when it comes to me, there's a way you can get a color. For example, this is a logo. I use every color in this logo for every of my design here, even on my white backgrounds. Why? Because I just want to pay attention to making sure the touch of my color codes are here. So how do you do this? So back to the slide I was showing you. Yes, either you want to find the color used for your logo or you want to find the color of your images. There are several tools. Yes, there are several tools I use here. Sorry for that. I use several tools, so I have to bring them out here and I put them on my slide. So there are a whole lot of tools we can use here. There is GIN Fab, there is Pixlr, there is HTML color code info, there is image color picker. If you're watching this on YouTube, I'll put all these links, details on the caption so you can check them. But for today, we're going to stick with image color picker, which is here. I'm going to show you. So let's reload this page. So take this away if not good. Imagecolorpicker.com. I have HTML colors from image. All what you need to do is just tap here, upload your images. This is HTML color codes. This goes to my logo, and here your logo is here. Easily you can tap here, it bring the color codes. You can tap here, if you tap here, can you see this is white? If you tap here, this is a little black. Good one. All right. Okay. Because I'm typing the white. If you type here with a mouse, so which means I can copy this and use it. So if I copy this, possibly you're using Canva. If you come to your color area on Canva and tap the color, tap here, you're going to see it switch to the black. So possibly if this is what I want to change to that, so I just go to my color. Then I paste the color codes there. It actually changed that. It was actually there with me. I'm using my color code. So that's how it works. So let me show you what the whole of distinction you can find here. Here you can only upload a file or put the HTML of the file of the images, which is cool. I use HTML color codes a lot. Also, you can make use of imagecolorpicker.com. You have several options. You can even get a color from your website. You can also get a color from an image. So we're gonna try few out from here. You can also upload image like I did severally. So let's check one. This is my logo, and we allow you to upload. And okay, yeah. So type one is going to be white. You just move your mouse. It's going to be the black one. It's just going to be the black one. You follow. So you can see this, and also so it changes here. You see this. If you change it to white, it changes also. So easily, I can be able to know all my color code, my dominant color, and my color palette, which you can pick for yourself. So if actually this is the black one, I can pick my color. We can try several color. Let's try another color. Okay, let's try to upload images. Okay, let me go to picture. I have a picture from a book here. So let's upload that and let's see. Remember, just for you to push your brand. So I want to get a color for here. This is the color codes. I want the color for the yellow. Good one. All right, I'm just looking at it here. Okay, see that's the color code. So I can copy this. This is as where even if you have your graphic designer, you can just tell your graphic designer to stick with your color code easily. You just give your graphic designer your color code. So for him to just flow with images, I do this a lot when I'm giving out designs. I just keep that. So also, other option you can do on image color picker, you can get color code. So let's try with my Facebook page. Yes, this one I copy the link and I go back to my color picker. I paste the link here, it's the website. So let's allow that to load. And while we watch this, okay, just waiting for that to load. Okay, okay, taking time. All right, okay, it's loading. So just to see. All right, it's still loading. Good. So I have the page of my image, so I can look for the colors here, check the one, and copy your color code, take your color palette, and use it for your brand. Same way you can get a HTML code from a picture. So this is my website. So I have a picture here. Possibly I might be changing. I just click on copy image address. I go to the image color picker, then I paste the link there, take image, and yeah, you go. So my image is here. Able to tap all color codes that is here. So it's so easy to get the HTML codes, the color codes of your logo, of your images, which is awesome. So easily you're learning branding, you're learning how color. So every color combination carry the code, and it'll be awesome for you to tap all this. So I'm really so glad that you are able to check this. Thank you so much for watching this video. Remember to click on subscribe button. Tell me what you feel in the comment section, and on the caption I got a whole lot of freebies for you to catch on when it comes to online marketing strategy. I see you in more subsequent video.